Hello everyone, it's me DJ Diwata and once again, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to newest upload or newest cover song of Mission Souls, and this is Lost in Your Eyes, published 12 hours ago with 7,800 views. Ayan, reminiscing days na naman tayo. Bumabalik na naman ako sa aking high school days, kaya naman sobra ko excited dito sa cover song na to dahil Debbie Gibson, isa yan sa mga naging paborito ko na singer ng aking high school days. Okay, so pakinggan na natin and I'm pretty sure mapapasaya na naman ako dito ni Mami Sheena. Let's go! Ganda ng intro! Kuha-kuha ni Nases.
I get lost.
Nagro-Rubik's na naman si Nisha. Partida.
I feel my spirits rise and soar like the wind. Is it love that I am in?
Galing! Wow!
Don't know why. Something's there we can't deny, and when I first knew was when I first looked at you.
Wow! Galing! Galing! Ulitin natin. Bitin ako! Galing! Grabe galing ni Nases. Ang hagod.
I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirits rise and soar like the wind. Is it love that I am in?
Yun!
I get weak in a glance.
Galing! Nases!
being lost in heaven, but I'm lost in your eyes. I just feel
Wow, ito na si Nisha. Wow.
some things there we can't deny, and when I first knew was when I first looked at
Galing ni Nisha. Wow.
can't find my way. If salvation seems worlds away, I'll be found when I am lost in your eyes. Whoa, I don't mind not knowing what I'm heading for. You can take me to the skies. It's like being lost in heaven, but not lost in your eyes. I get weak in a glance. Isn't this what's called romance? How I'll be found when I am lost
Galing!
in your eyes.
Ang galing, grabe. Nabitin ako. Oh, di ba? Grabe, ang sobrang saya ko kasi bumalik sa akin yung high school days ni DJB. Alam niyo yung di ba kapag ka JS prom, tapos sasayo na ng Sweet Lost in Your Eyes. Oh my God! Nagsisigawan na yung mga estudyante kasi naman sikat na sikat yan way back 1980s. O, di ba? Kaya naman, eto, si DJB, sobrang napasaya na naman tayo ng Mission Soul sa kanilang cover song na to, no? Anyway, ayan, sobrang ganda. And Sinase, sobrang galing niya dito. Grabe yung hagod niya sa keyboard, no? Tender loving care, o diba? Sobrang galing and sobrang niya ako na-impress dito. And of course, si Nisha, may partida na naman, nagrurubiks na naman siya. Pero grabe yung ginawa niya, pinakita niya dito na na pagtipa dito. Sobrang nagpaiyak na naman siya pero ang sarap pakinggan ng iyak nato, ha? Yung pagbaback up ni Stacy sa kanyang mommy, o nag-blend talaga, no? And of course si Mami Sheena talaga naman sobrang galing mo dito sa cover nato. Grabe. Sobrang pinabalik mo yung aking alaala, o di ba, sa aking kabataan. And si Ice, napakakalmado nung kanyang ng kanyang pagpalo ngayon sa drums na lang. Yung bang kalmado na napakasarap pakinggan. And syempre si Daddy Zekan, o di ba, si Daddy Zekan na talaga namang masasabi natin na relax lang habang sumasabay sa kanyang mga anak, o di ba. Anyway, ayan, overall Mami Sheena, more than 100% of pwede kong ibigay sa inyo, at kung meron lang unlimited thumbs up, yun po ang ibibigay ko sa inyo kasi sobrang ganda ng cover song nyo na ito. Madami kayong paliligayahin na mga 80s generation dyan, okay? So ayan, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from Mission Souls, don't forget to subscribe Mission Souls, and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified sa kanila pong mga upload. And of course, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also ang aking pong DJB Israel. Ayan. Sana makapag-upload na ako. Doon palagi ako dito sa Diwata nakakapag-upload kasi ang dami po mga request dito sa atin, okay? So ayan, bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and always remember that music is life and life is all without music. This is DJB Diwata saying thank you so much and I love you all.